Hey, what's going on, fellow Homo sapiens? Here is another crab spider. I'm still working on the species. There are over 2,100 species of crab spiders worldwide. Some crab spiders have even been known to change color. And they don't hunt with webbing. Most of them are ambush predators. Some actively hunt their food. They do produce silk, but they don't use it for hunting. They use it for drop lines. I can't wait to find more, especially the ant mimic crab spiders. Maybe someday. See you next time on Lifers.